Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back in the kitchen again, and today I'll be doing curry coconut fish. So I have some green tail snapper here. It's in some vinegar and lime water. I'm going to rinse it off. I already pre-rinsed it yesterday when I was killing it. So I'm just rinsing them off again so that they don't smell too raw or fishy. Today I would like to shout out Roxxe and Franchise, Simply Joecy, and I would also like to give a shout out to Slim. I'll be dropping their links in the description. I'm going to strain off the water and show you the seasoning process. My apologies if the camera quality is a bit poor. I'm not sure if this will show better than my phone, but I'm having some technical difficulties with my phone, so I have to use my brother's phone. So today I'll be using some Maggi all-purpose seasoning to season the fish. I have 6 fish here. Yes, 6. So I haven't been posting a lot of cooking videos since lately because I've been having problems with my phone. Hopefully I'll be able to post more consistently, more cooking videos consistently. I'm just going to cover this and leave it to marinate, and then I'll show you the rest of the process. Now I'll be showing you how I do my coconut milk powder. I'll be using some instant coconut milk, the powdered form. So I'm using 2 packs of this. I'm emptying it out in a bowl. And I'm going to add some room temperature water to it and mix it out. Now to the preparation of the fish. The pot is heating. I'm adding some oil. And this is vegetable oil. I'm just going to let the oil heat, and then I'm going to add some garlic. So this is garlic, this is sweet pepper, onion, and scallion and thyme. So I'm going to fry up some garlic in there. Just testing if the oil is hot. So I'm going to add some garlic in there and allow it to fry. I'm also going to put a small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper in there because it's really spicy. I also have some curry powder here. I'm going to add some and allow it to burn with the garlic. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk and allow that to boil for a little. The coconut milk is boiling now. It smells good. I'm going to add the fish in there now. Pot is a bit too small for the fishes, but everything have to hold, so I'm just stuffing them in there. So now I'm just going to add these on it. I'm also going to add some carrots on it and cover it and let it steam. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. The stove is on low. I'm just using the spoon to get some of the sauce all over them. I put the carrots in there as I said I would do. So I'm just going to cover the pot again and leave it to steam. I won't open it again until it's done. So it's ready. I served it with rice and peas because today is Sunday and in Jamaica we normally eat rice and peas. Most persons normally eat rice and peas on Sunday, and I have some tomatoes here and I'm going to drink some pine skin and watermelon juice with it. I made this. So this is the coconut curried fish. I hope you enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.